Okay guys, I am going to do a quick overview of my craft room. And we're walking in. And I'll try not to make you dizzy. I have decided I'm going to take about a week's break. I didn't do another video. I didn't do my last video that I said I was going to do. Some things came up, but I wanted to kind of let you see what I was doing. My craft room got into such a mess that I just decided I couldn't do anything until I somewhat straightened it out. And then that just started me in on, doing more organizing. So I've decided what I'm going to do is I'm taking kind of a week off. Plus it's Christmas, and I've got family in. I've just decided this would be a great week for me to go ahead and kind of clean up my craft room. So I want to do like a before and kind of, this is just the overall view, and let you guys see. This is what it looks like when I've had a month of December and I've just done one thing after another between trying to finish a bunch of journals and then, just my normal process videos and tutorials and all that. So it gets to the point where I can't find anything and I'm trying to do something, and I mean, my craft space is never perfect. It's always cluttered. I have a small room, and honestly, it's never going to be perfect. But bottom line is, it got to the point where I couldn't find anything. I mean, it was just so bad. Here's my desk. Oh, had me some Whataburger. My son's in from Colorado, and he had to have some Whataburger. People from Texas get that. Give you an idea of what it looks like behind my desk. I've got a big pile on the ground. I've just got piles everywhere. I'm tripping over things. So anyway, a few things I'm going to tackle. I have all of these drawers here from the Container Store. Get a little bigger here. And while I do have things organized in there, I just need to get them a lot more organized because I'm spending way too much time digging. I think I'm going to move some of my jewelry storage and kind of consolidate, because honestly, I used to make a lot of jewelry. I don't do that. I've got some boxes up here. There's my TV. That's how I watch YouTube while I'm doing this. I've got these boxes up here, these plastic tubs. A lot of that stuff in there I no longer do. So I'm going to probably consolidate and get rid of those. Some of those. I mean, I'll probably still use the tubs, but I'm going to use them for things I'm doing now. I've got this filing cabinet, this black filing cabinet, and honestly, it's empty. I mean, half the drawers in it are empty, and the ones that do have stuff in it, totally unorganized. So I have a small room. It's like 10 by 10. So that is some very valuable real estate that I have to sort out and get that going. I have spots where I have nothing but I have good intentions, okay? I need to deal with that. Here's some floor stuff again that I tried to sort out, but I never did. I've got stuff underneath my desk that honestly I do have to kind of figure out what I'm going to do with all this stuff. This is the area above my desk. It's just got stuff. I have a lot of empty containers too that I tried to sort things out, and they're just all laying around. My shelves are somewhat organized. They're not too bad, but I need to kind of go through that stuff too. This area over here, I need to reorganize some of this. I have these containers, you know, and then just this area back in through here. There's some things up there that a lot of times I have good intentions and I end up not using things for what I thought I was going to. I just got my new Epson printer. Actually, I didn't say I just got it. I got it about a month ago. And this room was so messed up and so horrible that I never even started getting that going. I did use my scan and cut a little bit. I bought another one of these origami shelves and I have to sort through all that. I just kind of threw some stuff in there, but it's completely unorganized. But I mean, I like how that worked, but I didn't organize any of it. So, and I've got a lot of stuff. I'll go back in my closet so you guys can see that. Let me go back this way. This stuff here, I started to organize a little bit of my embossing folders and stamps and things like that. But this top shelf over here, this is not working for me, these binders for my stickers and everything. So I want to kind of organize that and maybe put it in my filing cabinet that has basically nothing in it. So anyway, I thought what I'll do now is, this is my closet and it is a total disaster area. So I've got to kind of go through all of that. There's a lot of things over here that can be stored somewhere else. And so I'm going to start sorting through that. A lot of things that just need to be gone. So anyway, that is probably what I'm working on. I want everybody to kind of see it real and see how things look. And you know, all I really have, my only workspace I have is my desk. So when things start getting so cluttered that I have no room to work, but maybe a little, 10-inch by 10-inch space, I've got to do stuff. So that's kind of where I'm at. And I don't feel motivated to do anything when where I'm tripping over things and I can't find things, and I spend more time finding things than actually, creating. And things get like that when you get super busy. I mean, that's just normal. But I just think, plus, it's a starting new year. So I'm going to take the week that's starting now, in between Christmas and New Year's. And I'm going to take that week off. So I'm probably not going to post any videos. And I am going to take that week and I am going to use it to do as much as I can in a week, There may be some stuff that I don't get to, but I am definitely going to try. There's all my other mixed media and stuff like that. And I've got that whole thing. And, there's stuff I need to pull out of there that probably I'm not using. I've got this pegboard full of all these tools. Well, I don't really use a lot of those, so I don't know. I may take it down. I'm not sure. Not sure. I've got a lot of stuff in here that needs a better home. Anyways, guys, that is what I want to do. I'm going to spend that time, so I want you to see the before. I'm going to go ahead and post this now so you can know what I'm up to if you've been waiting for videos. And so I will probably be back in about a week and let you guys see the after. I'm not going to do any major painting and stuff like that. I may move some furniture around. I may not. I don't have a lot of options as to where I can put things because this room is really small. So I have to kind of watch. But I think I am going to edit, and I'm going to move things around a little bit, a few things. But I'll let you guys see that when I'm all done, and give you some ideas maybe that'll help you and make you think about, what you may want to do and how you may want to redo your craft space. I think it's always a good idea. I probably should do this through my whole house, but I probably won't. I'm just going to do my craft room first because that's where I spend the majority of my time these days. But anyway, so I hope you guys had a good Christmas and have a great new year. And I'll see you right after that with where I'm at that point. I may not be completely where I want to be, but I'll let you see where I'm at. And if I have to, I'll do a part 3. So this is the before, and the after will be hopefully in a week. So you guys take care. Bye.